PACE financing is growing rapidly in Minnesota and really nationwide. We're seeing, a lot of people becoming more educated about how the program works and what the benefits are. So I think the main question that we get from lenders is, why would you want to do property assessed clean energy versus traditional bank financing? And when it comes to energy efficiency and renewable energy, PACE financing is one of the best options. And the main reason is because we provide 100% financing for the project. The lender retains all rights through their mortgage. So they have full right to default if for any reason the borrower is delinquent on either the loan or the PACE assessment. They retain all of those rights. The PACE assessment itself cannot be accelerated. So if a borrower makes a late tax payment, they're really just responsible for becoming current on that specific tax payment. And the PACE assessment itself is not accelerated and will not go into default. Question of foreclosure comes up a lot, and really the thing about the PACE assessment is the lender retains all rights under the mortgage on the property. So if for any reason the borrower defaults on a PACE assessment or fails to make a payment, the lender retains all the rights that they have through the mortgage with the property. So they can take any action that they want, and the PACE assessment will remain in place without any action from either the county or MinnPACE until that tax payment is made current. So how does this fit within the capital stack? It's a question that we get with lenders who have concerns about loan to values with the property. And one of the benefit of having the lender in control of how much financing they're willing to allow their borrower to have, really they can control how much equity the customer has to bring into the project. So if a lender has a loan to value limit of 65 or 70%, the property assessment can be up to 20% of the property's tax assessed value or the appraised value. So the lender really has the control to determine exactly how much PACE financing they're comfortable with on the project. So if a loan to value is 65%, the PACE lender can control whether they want a 10% or 15% value PACE assessment. So it really leaves the lender in control of not going over their lending limits and over collateralizing the property. So another question we get quite often is, what is the structure and term of the PACE loan that we provide? There's a few different options. So the most common one that we have, it's a 10-year fixed rate PACE loan for 4.25%. We have other lenders throughout Minnesota and the nation that provide different terms. So we have a credit union that does a 15-year fixed rate at 5%. The national PACE lenders can do up to 20-year financing according to the state statute. So we do have national PACE lenders that come in on larger projects, and they'll provide financing anywhere from 5 3/4 to 7% depending. But the benefit of that is it's a fixed rate term for that entire 20-year period. So the borrower and the lender both understand the long-term cash flow and how that fits into their lending model.